Art and Culture Current Affairs MCQs. 1. The Bonalu festival is celebrated in which state? A. Telangana. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer A. Telangana. 2. Tiruchendur Subramanya Swami Temple is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer B. Tamil Nadu. 3. The Sakambari festival is mainly celebrated in which state? A. Odisha. B. Bihar. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Kerala. Correct answer C. Andhra Pradesh. 4. Which Indian site is recently inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List, becoming India's 44th World Heritage Site? A. Lepakshi Temple. B. River Island of Majuli. C. Geoglyphs of the Konkan region. D. Maratha military landscapes. Correct answer D. Maratha military landscapes. 5. Behdiyankalam festival is primarily celebrated in which state? A. Assam. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer D. Meghalaya. 6. The Langfan Ropi site in which state has been officially declared a monument of national importance by the ASI? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Mizoram. D. Sikkim. Correct answer C. Mizoram. 7. Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara temple that was recently seen in news is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Odisha. Correct answer C. Karnataka. 8. Trimbakeshwar Shiva temple that was recently seen in news is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer D. Maharashtra. 9. Where was the Malabar River Festival 2025 held? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer C. Kerala. 10. Where is the newly discovered Harappan site Ratyari Dheri located? A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Correct answer B. Rajasthan. 11. The Vrindavani Vastra, a 16th century silk textile, primarily depicts the childhood stories and divine pastimes of which deity? A. Lord Rama. B. Lord Krishna. C. Lord Vishnu. D. Lord Shiva. Correct answer B. Lord Krishna. 12. The Karam Festival 2025 was celebrated on which day? A. September 1. B. 2nd September. C. 3rd September. D. 4th September. Correct answer C. 3rd September. 13. Langkhun is a harvest festival mainly celebrated by which tribe in Assam? A. Tiwa. B. Miri. C. Rabha. D. Moran. Correct answer A. Tiwa. 14. The National Maritime Heritage Complex, NMHC, is being developed at which ancient site in Gujarat? A. Dholavira. B. Lothal. C. Bhadra Fort. D. Rani Ki Vav. Correct answer B. Lothal. 15. The redevelopment of Tripura Sundari Temple was funded by which scheme of the Ministry of Tourism? A. Swadesh Darshan Scheme. B. National Mission on Pilgrimage Development. C. Prasad, Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive, Scheme. D. Incredible India Scheme. Correct answer C. Prasad, Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive, Scheme. 16. Mera Ho Chongaba Festival is celebrated in which state? A. Assam. B. Nagaland. C. Manipur. D. Tripura. Correct answer C. Manipur. 17. Where was the 12,000-year-old T-shaped pillar with a human face discovered? A. Indonesia. B. Egypt. C. Turkey. D. Vietnam. Correct answer C. Turkey. 18. Bathu religion, that was recently seen in news, is primarily practiced by which community? A. Bodo community. B. Karbi community. C. Naga community. D. Chenchu community. Correct answer A. Bodo community. 19. The Tihar festival is mainly celebrated in which country? A. Bhutan. B. Myanmar. C. Nepal. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer C. Nepal. 20. Ningol Chakoba festival is celebrated in which state? A. Nagaland. B. Assam. C. Manipur. D. Sikkim. Correct answer C. Manipur. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.